Good morning, children. Today in EVS, we will revise topic body and personal hygiene. So now it's our answer time. Let's start with the exercise. Children, in this exercise, you have to select the correct answer. Two options are given here for each answer. So we start with question number 1. We can stay healthy by eating dash food. Options are healthy or junk. So the right answer is healthy. We can stay healthy by eating healthy food. Question number 2. We should always eat dash food. Options are stale or fresh. The right answer is we should always eat fresh food. Children, avoid eating stale food because stale food can make you sick. Question number 3. The food we eat goes here. Options are heart or stomach. So the right answer is stomach. Children, whatever we eat, it goes in our stomach. Question number 4. The brain helps us to think or breathe. So the right answer is think. The brain helps us to think. Question number 5. What is the part of your leg that bends called? So the right answer is your knee. Question number 6. Which of these we should not do? Option A, take bath daily, or option B, eat uncovered food. So the right answer is eat uncovered food. Children, read the question very carefully. Which of these we should not do? So we should not eat uncovered food. Question number 7. This body part pumps blood to different parts of the body. Options are heart or lungs. So the right answer is heart. Children, heart is the body part which pumps blood to different parts of our body. Question number 8. We should sleep for dash hours daily. Options are 5 to 6 hours or 8 to 10 hours. So the right option is 8 to 10 hours. Question number 9. Which of these parts is an external body part? Options are tongue or lungs. Children, I want to tell you external body parts are those body parts which we can see, which are visible. And the options here are tongue and lungs. So we can see our tongue. So tongue is the right answer. Question number 10. This organ controls the activity of all the other parts of our body. Options are heart or brain. So the right answer is brain. Brain is the organ that controls the activity of all the other parts of our body. Question number 11. We should always wear dirty clothes or clean clothes. So I am sure everyone knows this answer, children. We should always wear clean clothes. Question number 12. We should take our meals at night only or regular intervals. So children, we should always take our meals at regular intervals of time. Because if we will take our meal only at night, we can fall sick. Question number 13. What are the 4 basic types of taste? Option A, vanilla, chocolate, mint or peanut butter. Option number B, salty, sour, bitter, sweet. So children, the right answer is salty, sour, bitter and sweet. These are the 4 basic types of taste. Question number 14. We should trim our nails with a nail cutter or a knife. So the right option is nail cutter. Nail cutter is safe to trim our nails. Question number 15. We use our neck to rotate our dash. Option A, arms, or option B, head. So the right answer is head. Children, we all know that we use our neck to rotate our head. Question number 16. Which of the following activities cannot be done using your nose? To see or to breathe? Very simple. The right answer is to see. Question number 17. In which activity your heart beats faster? Options are reading or running. It's very simple, children. Running is the activity in which your heart beats faster. Question number 18. Which organ pumps blood to all parts of the body? Option A, brain, or option B, heart. So children, the right answer is heart. Heart is the organ that pumps blood to all parts of the body. Question number 19. X is located inside the chest. It helps us to breathe. What is X? Children, read it very carefully. X is located inside the chest and it helps us to breathe. And the options are lungs or heart. So it's very simple. Lungs. Why? Because lungs helps us to breathe. Question number 20. We have 2 dash. Option A, lungs or stomach. I am sure everyone knows this answer, children. Lungs is the right answer because we have 2 lungs. Question number 21. Lungs help us to dash, breathe or digest. So the right answer is breathe. Question number 22. Good dental hygiene means option A, taking care of your teeth. Option B, not going to the dentist. So the right answer is taking care of your teeth. Question number 23. M is located inside our head. It helps us to think and remember. The options are lungs or brain. It's very simple, children. The right answer is brain. Why? Because here it's given M is located inside our head and brain is the organ which is located inside our head. So the right answer is brain. Question number 24. A balanced diet makes us dash, ill or healthy. So the right answer is healthy. A balanced diet always makes us healthy. Question number 25. We should always wear dash. The right answer is clean clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. Question number 26. Personal hygiene dash, or what is personal hygiene? Options are A is a collection of habits people practice to keep themselves clean and healthy. Option number B does not help in keeping us well. So children, the right answer is A is a collection of habits people practice to keep themselves clean and healthy. Question number 27. Which of the following answers is true about senses and body parts? A. you use your eyes to smell. B, you use your ears to hear. It's very simple, children. There are 5 senses and you all know about those 5 senses. So the right answer is you use your ears to hear because you use your eyes to see, not to smell. So the right answer is you use your ears to hear. Question number 28. Which is not one of the 5 sense organs? So children, options are hearing or running. So running is one of the option which is not one of the 5 sense organs. So running is the right answer. Question number 29. Which senses are mentioned in the following sentence? Read it and listen it very carefully, children. I went outside and felt the cool breeze on my skin and smelt my neighbor cooking hot dogs on the grill. So it's very simple, though it looks tough to answer, but if you read it carefully, it's very simple. I went outside and felt the cool breeze on my skin. So here, for this sentence, touch is the right answer, and in both the options, touch is given. And then second sentence, and smelt my neighbor cooking hot dogs on the grill. So children, in this, smelt word is given. And the option B, we have touch and smell. So option B is the right answer. Touch and smell. Question number 30. The boy has been playing in the mud and is very dirty. He needs to wash his hands with soap and water. Is it true or false? I think everyone knows this answer, children. It's true. You can think of yourself also in this answer, in this question. If you come after playing in the mud and you are very dirty, so you wash your hands with soap and water? Yes. So the answer is true. Question number 31. When Ria comes back from school, she takes her lunch. Is it true or false? It's true, children. When you go back from school, you always have your lunch. So it's true. Question number 32. What do you call the part of your arm that bends? Children, read this question very carefully. What do you call the part of your arm that bends? This type of question I have asked you earlier, but in that it was leg. But in this question, what do you call the part of your arm that bends? So, and options are an elbow or a knee. So the right answer is an elbow. Question number 33. What grows on top of your head and needs to be cut regularly? Option A, your hair. Option B, your eyebrows. So it's very simple. Option A is the right answer, your hair. Grows on top of your head and needs to be cut regularly. Question number 34. We should trim our nails once a week or every day? It's very simple. Answer. Option A, once a week, is a right answer. We should always trim our nails once a week. Question number 35. What are external organs? Children, before telling you the options, I want to tell you external organs and internal organs. What are external organs? External organs are those organs which we can see, and internal organs are those internal organs which we can't see. So now I think it will be easy for you to answer. What are external organs? Options are A are those body parts we can't see. Option B are those body parts which we can see. So it's very simple. The answer is B, those body parts which we can see. Question number 36. The air we breathe goes in these dash. Option A, stomach. Option B, lungs. So lungs is the right answer. The air we breathe goes in these lungs. Question number 37. This tells the body what to do. Option A, heart, or option B, brain. So the right answer is brain. Brain tells the body what to do. Question number 38. This internal organ is situated inside the rib cage. Option A, brain, or option B, lungs. So the right answer is lungs, because lungs is an internal organ which we can't see and is situated inside the rib cage. Good dental hygiene means option A, taking care of your teeth or not going to the dentist. So the right answer for question number 39, good dental hygiene, is taking care of your teeth. Question number 40. Which body part covers most of your body and comes in many different colors? So the right answer is hair. Question number 41. After I wash my hair, I comb them neatly. True or false? It's very simple, children. True. After I wash my hair, I comb them neatly. It's true. Question number 42. We are twin brothers. We help you to breathe. Who are we? Option A, hands. Option B, lungs. So the right answer is lungs, because lungs help you to breathe. Question number 43. Washing your hands is an example of personal hygiene. Is it true or false? It's true, children. Question number 44. The woman has some food stuck in between her teeth. She needs to use some dental floss. Is it true or false? It's true. Question number 45. This body part pumps blood to different parts of the body. Option A, heart. Option B, kidneys. It's very simple, children. Heart is the body part which pumps blood to different parts of the body. Question number 46. We should play only in the playground or classroom. Children, I think we all know the answer of this question. Option A is the right answer. Playground. Playground is the place to play. Children, classroom is the place where we study. So we end our class. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.